How's it going? Today I want to talk to you about this metal platform bed frame. Now this metal platform bed frame was very easy to assemble. There's a couple big steps, but they put number stickers where things need to connect, so it made it very easy. The first thing you want to do is you want to connect all the corners. So we're pretty much going to build the big rectangle. It has these little brackets here and it has two screws that go in, so you just match it up with the photo. It does come with an Allen wrench and it also has a ratcheting tool. After you connect the corners, you're going to have the big frame, and then you need to connect the legs to it. So the legs are going to be these corner pieces, and they have holes on either side that slots in to allow for the space for the screws that you just put in. And then you're going to come from the inside and you're going to attach those to make your legs stand. So now you have a standing rectangular frame, but the middles aren't connected. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab these pieces. It looks kind of like a miniature T, and you're going to connect them, and then you're going to put the screws with the nuts on the inside. So the screws come from the outside, the nuts are on the inside. That was the most difficult part of this, is matching those up. So once you get that done, then you start putting down the middle bars. Now they did specify that 2 bars are supposed to be the middle bar. They have them highlighted with some tape. You're going to screw the remaining screws from the outside in on either side to connect those. And then you're going to put the remainder pieces. Now they have 4 pieces with adhesive, so the adhesive helps your mattress stay in place. Those are going to be next to the middle bars, and then the remaining bars are going to be on the top and bottom. Once this is assembled, you'll be able to just put your mattress on and you can start sleeping. I like this because it has plenty of storage underneath, and it's very lightweight and it's easy to disassemble if we decide to move.